Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up alarm clock on Philips Wake Up. And to do this, first we'll need to click on menu, then when inside you can see two different alarms. First one and second one, you can switch between them by clicking on the plus or minus button. Now to set up the alarm, I'm gonna choose the first one and then click on the select. Here we'll be able to change the time when it should ring. I'm gonna keep it as it is and then select. Here we can switch minutes. Then you can adjust the brightness of the lamp when the alarm rings. And finally, we can also adjust the volume for the alarm. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.